Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this problem, we're asked to find the average velocity along this trip here. The key idea behind this problem is that when calculating the average velocity, we don't have to worry about going to this point here. We only worry about the initial starting point, which is at the origin here, and the final ending point, which is at 20 meters east of the house. And so in this case, x2 is 20 and x1 is 0. And so the numerator is just 20 meters. And then t2 minus t1 is the time it took to get to this point minus the time at this point. Now the time at this point is just 0 seconds because the trip hasn't started yet. The time at this point is the time it takes to go here and then here. So it's 28 plus 36, which is 64 seconds. And this is equal to 0.3125 meters per second. We're also asked to find the average speed. In this case, we consider both paths, so we don't have to subtract and only worry about these 2 points here. So the total distance traveled along the trip is 60 meters here and then 40 meters back. So we have to take into account the full distance traveled along the trip, whereas for the average velocity, since we went forward and backwards, we only had to do the net travel. So there was some subtraction there that made the 20 so small. But in this case, our average speed is going to have 100 in the numerator. We still have a 64 in the denominator because the trip still took 64 seconds. But now when we do this division, we get 1.56 meters per second, which is much higher than the average velocity.